friends, Denise from Salvaged Inspirations. Thanks for joining me because I have a fun Christmas roundup for you today. I have 12 projects, furniture, decor, DIY Christmas ornaments, all salvaged, and all I'm sure will inspire and give you some ideas for your Christmas decor. So just let me get set up and I'll be right back. Let's start. Here's the fun part.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Merry is a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without old tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas. I keep so near every light, every soul from every friend that comes along. Very Merry Christmas to you.
So I hope this roundup has given you some ideas and sparked some inspiration on your Christmas decorating around your home. If so, feel free to give it a like, and I would love for you to subscribe. I'd love to know which DIY project is your favorite, so feel free to leave a comment down below. I read every single one of them, and I appreciate every one of you, so thank you so very much. Also, feel free to subscribe over at salvagedinspirations.com, where I have over 500 furniture painting tutorials teaching you how to make your furniture beautiful. Have fun with your Christmas decorating. Until next time, have a fabulous day, fabulous week. See you again soon. Bye, guys.